she's not driving at all.
Oh no. Whoa.
Alright, guys, it's my turn.
Alright, it's Raora's turn.
It's my moment to shine. Okay. I wanna let you know one thing. I do have a driving license.
I trust you.
You can trust me. I really have
trust you with
a
my
driving
life.
license.
I trust you.
I had Coke Zero in my mouth.
No,
and
she's
I
still
nearly
here.
let
She's
that
still
out.
alive.
Wait, I don't understand how.
It's difficult. Rara, it's difficult on purpose.
It's less like driving in real life.
Oh my god. Wow, I trust you. I trust you with my life. I really
She's just getting used to the wheel. It's a different type of car.
I trust her.
What? You're still on. You're still on.
You're still good. You're still good.
When people say do a flip, and I actually do.
Yeah, you did flip.
Do a
Oh.
you're doing it. You're doing it.
You did